Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix goals game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, low FPS, fatal error, stuck on black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. For that, select the game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check if you can play it. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So search for the game over here. Game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So you have to wait for some time. Once the game files is verified, launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on a system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. After that, try to launch it and check if the problem is resolved and you can play the game. Next is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. It will check if there is an update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. So website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes and wait for some time. After you get a setup successful message over here, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them, and after selecting, now right click on it, click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if you can play the game. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Goals game and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. So these are few solutions to fix Goals game crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.